This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Canon printer to Wi-Fi. First, let's cover the WPS method, which is often the quickest. Make sure your Canon printer is turned on. Then, find the WPS button on your wireless router. On your printer, press and hold the Wi-Fi button until its light starts blinking. Immediately, within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. Your printer should then automatically connect to the network. If your router doesn't have a WPS button, or if that method doesn't work, you can connect manually. Navigate to the Setup menu on your printer's display screen. Look for Wireless LAN Setup or Wi-Fi Setup and select Standard Setup or Manual Connect. Your printer will then search for available networks. Choose your Wi-Fi network name from the list, then carefully enter your network password using the printer's keypad. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive. For a convenient setup using a smartphone or tablet, the Canon Print app is an excellent tool. First, download the Canon Print app from your device's app store. On your printer, activate Easy Wireless Connect or Cableless Setup mode. Then, open the app on your phone or tablet. The app will guide you through finding your printer, confirming your Wi-Fi network, and entering your password to establish the connection. If you encounter issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. First, ensure your printer is within a good range of your wireless router, ideally within 25 feet. Try restarting both your Canon printer and your router to refresh their connections. Double-check that you are entering the correct Wi-Fi network name and password, paying attention to capitalization. For specific model instructions, always refer to your printer's user manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.